Welcome back to AdventureWorks, you guys. A little something different. I'm going to do an unboxing. Miss AdventureWorks just got herself a new Samsung Active 1 smartwatch. I personally like unboxings, so I thought I would do one for you guys. Got the Active fitness tracking. It's got swim so she can wash her hands at work, etc, etc. It's a 40mm face, but I think it's only like a 28mm display, which is like a 1-inch display, like nothing. And a 20mm strap. We got it at Shoppers Drug Mart for, well, 21 bucks, if you can believe it, because there was a special promotion going on and she had a whole bunch of points through Optimum saved up, so she's always wanted one. And yeah, so I already cut the back tape just to save that step, but it's pink rose, I believe is the color of this one. Yeah. I think it's got a RAM of 4 gigs. CPU of 1.15 gigahertz, and a ROM RAM size of 4 gigs. It's got an accelerometer, barometer, gyro sensor, HR sensor, and a light sensor. And yeah, let's get into this thing a little bit more here. Extra strap, it looks like. Yeah, she's so awesome letting me unbox stuff. Charger. Oh, it's magnetic too. It's a nice little magnetic charger. And, I'm actually surprised at the weight of this thing. It's robust. I thought it would be more for a lady, but if I had a black one, I'd gladly wear this thing, to be honest. It's got the, you can see the sensor right there. Galaxy watch for your heart monitor. Yeah, it's pretty nice actually. Just gonna put that back in there. And there is, looks like instructions. Yeah, I'm assuming those are the instructions. Nice little cute box. Yeah, originally, like I said, we got it for 21 bucks, I think we paid for it, but it was on sale for 129, and she had a whole bunch of points saved. So yeah, just instructions. That's all that's in there. Shows you what is all in there. Charging the battery. Nice. Yeah, I'm happy for her. She's a cashier, so she my girlfriend, so this will be really handy for her. She walks a lot too, so it'd be good to see how much she does walk fitness wise. She'll be able to quick reply me via text while I'm working. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep this one short and sweet. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. It's only really 3 important things here: the charger, the watch, an extra strap, oh, I guess, and the instructions will make it 4 important things. So not a huge unboxing, but first one of the AdventureWorks channel. We got a couple more things to unbox here soon too. Hope you guys enjoy. Drop a comment, subscribe, like, and thank you guys.